Alright guys, welcome back. So Kenzie's going to show you what she's done so far. I'm going to show them what you've done.
So I've glued, after gluing it together, I sanded in between where it was glued, and I filled up the part where I accidentally cut off like a little bit of the model with some putty, and
Cool. Alright. Yeah. So we got this all, there was a seam line right here, we got that all sanded. That feels pretty smooth. And we also brush painted the cockpit area. We might need to touch it up a little bit. Alright, well, let's see what we're doing. And so, let's see. Okay, so now we're ready to put the engines, the air intakes together, and the wings. So the little wings go. So we're ready to do some gluing. So we've got to cut out these and these. Alright, let's go ahead and cut those out.
these out.
You can cut them out.
Cut out these.
Yeah. She also brush painted the inside of the jet nozzles. Some burnt iron jet exhaust.
I'm trying so hard, I'm failing so bad.
Nah. Hold there. There we go. Yeah, we're going to get these pieces cut out, and we'll be right back. Okay, so Kenzie's got all the parts separated here. So let's do this, Kenzie. So grab one of your engine exhausts.
Okay.
So you first have to glue the fan blade onto the back of the engine. There you go. So take some of this glue.
Okay.
And just it doesn't take a lot of that stuff. So just put a lot. Make sure you get a lot in that hole. Oops.
You said it doesn't take a lot of that stuff. This stuff.
And then now just kind of swirl it around the back there. There you go. Now put your fan blade on. Cool. Okay. She also did a little bit of sanding on the rough edges. That's my favorite part of modeling, isn't it, Kenzie?
It's great.
There you go. Okay.
It's even better when you have OCD. I'm just kidding.
Alright, looks pretty good. So then, it looks like we have to take our engine intakes, jet intakes, and so it looks like this is going to be, you got to do it kind of all at once. So turn it over like that, and I want to get everything kind of lined up. See the wings go in first, see, like that. And we're not going to glue the wings on because they move back and forth.
You put your wing?
Yeah. So like, always look at how it's oriented, so it's showing you the plane upside down.
Okay,
Upside down like that.
And then,
Yeah, let's put it up here on the camera so the camera can see what we're doing.
okay.
And so, alright.
You got it the wrong way.
Yeah, let's turn it around. So look at the picture. There you go. Like that.
Okay, so which way is
I always hold it like that.
So which way is this?
I always try to hold it the way the picture's showing, so that like that. And this one is actually, it goes around the other way. There you go. Okay, now you'll notice the holes are right here, so which side does that go on?
You confused me. Shoot.
It's actually going to go on this side.
Why do you do this?
Like this. Okay, so, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You can
Just like that. Now we got to put the wing, we got to put the fan, we got to put the engine blades in. Let's take that off. So now you know where it goes.
Okay,
Yep.
Okay,
Okay, so now for this one, I like to use this kind
Go
of,
this way or this way?
it goes like that, just like that. Just like that. For this one, I kind of like to use the heavier glue because it'll give you some chance to, it'll give you a chance to move it around a little bit in case you have to. So notice that it's also got, see this little thing right here? Little thing? Okay. There's going to be a place where it fits in, so it fits in right there. Okay.
So you're gonna go like.
Oh, see now, yeah, that's falling off. So we might have to wait till this dries a little bit more.
Okay.
Just run some glue down in that. Make sure it gets real nice and tight. Let's do the same thing on that one. Just run some glue down in the. You can add a little bit of glue there. Just like that. So we might need to wait a few minutes and let this get good and dry. Maybe not. Okay.
Maybe not.
Yeah. Okay, so that little tab fits. There's a place where it fits, so you can fits right there in that slot. It's right there. Okay. And I like to use some of this glue. So if you take that out, you can put some glue right in that slot.
In a slot?
Yep.
Oh, then you're gonna put it in the edges.
Yep. Hold it up here. You gotta give it a little squeeze.
It's not coming out.
Let's see here.
I'm not a strong person.
There it goes. It gets a little clogged. Let me put some in there for you. Okay, I'll put some right around here. Okay, now you can put one in.
Okay, so just.
Yeah, good. Or you got the slot lined up?
Yeah, right there.
Good. And let's do the other one. Up here. Good. Get the, see the thing right there, that slot, that thing? Yeah, that's where it goes inside that. Did you get the other one right?
I hope so.
Not quite. So we'll just put it in there. Yeah. That just helps hold it and get it placed correctly. Alright. Let those dry for a little bit. Cool. Okay. So now let's figure out where our wings go. And we don't glue the wings because they move back and forth. So just grab one of your wings. Let's see, just try to match it up with the picture. Try to get, let's do the wings. Let's let this dry for a little bit. And let's get the wings.
Oh, the wings. So.
See how they go right there on that slot.
So which way do they go? This way or the other way?
The other way, like that.
So like this.
And so it's going to sit right there. And then
Okay, put it there. Or the other one. And you put it right there.
cool. Just like that. So I can get this to go down in there, right? then, see, this is gonna, so this one goes on this side, just like that.
Mhm.
Oops. Actually this side, my bad.
Oh.
Now see these little things here?
You connect them into the holes of
Mhm.
that.
Yep. So what you can do is get some of that. Yeah. See, it's going to fit pretty good. So now what we want to do is, I like to use this on those pins.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, that's going to fit really well. So let's get some of this. Let's take that off.
If I could take it off.
Okay, there you go.
Oh shoot, there's like, hold on, I think
Yeah, that's a really good
it's
fit.
stuck because of the glue.
That's a really good fit. Okay.
So you
And I like to put glue in those little holes. And you can actually, if you want, you can, and then yeah, that, and put some right there.
anywhere, like here.
Yeah. And then the places where it connects, just run some glue right along there. There you go. Same thing with up here. There you go. That's awesome. And then it connects right there on the front. And then that's that little tab right there. That's where the engine sits. So you can put some there. All right. Now let's stick it on there. Nice. That fits pretty good. We'll have to go back and see this part right here.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit messed up.
That part right there is supposed to be the same color as this, but we'll fix that. Okay. So
It's not messed, it's not like,
yeah, that's
it's just
okay.
like chipped right there because I cut off too much.
Oh, okay. So it looks like a pretty good fit on that side. Now you can do the other side. Maybe right back there. There you go. Nice. Cool. That fit pretty snug. I don't even think we need to even clamp it or anything. We'll just let the glue do its work. I need to. That's a pretty good fit, boys. I'll put a little bit of putty right there, but that's all right. Okay, so we just know to let that dry really well. Okay, so now what we can do, what I always do when I'm waiting on something to dry is I work on something else or find another thing to work on. So, since you've got all these parts painted white, I'm going to show you how to do the tires.
Okay.
Okay, so no, those are the other ones.
So you just like get like a color, like
Well,
like that
So,
certain.
all right, we're gonna get set up to paint the tires, and I'll be right back.